Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Okay. Today we are going to start a new lesson, maternity. Okay, this is a very interesting lesson. Okay. And it was all of you take out your textbook. Helping each other and empathizing with the suffering of fellow beings will help us create world of peace and love. But do we always nurture such values in our lives? So this is a lesson about helping those who are suffering. Okay, so those who are suffering, so the fellow men are suffering means we have to help the person. Okay, will help us create a world of peace and love. We have to create the world of peace and love. What do we always nurture such values in our lives? So it's a beautiful lesson, maternity. All of you take out your textbook. First paragraph we are going to start. It was more than a month since they were at Masolais. Masolais is a place. The camp of Armenian refugees on the outskirts of the town already looked like a small villages. So it's the camp of Armenian refugees. Okay, refugees means in a country the people will send out of the country. Okay, send out of the country. Those people will get protection from another country. Okay, so that we called it as refugees. Okay, the camp of Armenian refugees on the outskirts of the town already looked like a small village. Though the camp is look like a small village, they had settled down in any way they could. So in that camp they are settled in wherever the place they are settled. The richest under tents, even the richest also under tents. Tents means it's a temporary house. The others in the ruined sheds. Okay, there is no proper place for the refugees. Okay, there is no proper place for the refugees. Wherever the place are they getting, they are under the sheds, under the tents. Okay, but the majority of the refugees, having found nothing better, were sheltered under carpets held up at the four corners by sticks. Okay, sometimes some they have the shed, some they have that places, but most of them are they built a carpets, and then they put four like that temporary house. Okay, so in that place they will they built a temporary house. Okay, and then what happened, so there are in that camp there are rich people is there, poor people are there, all together they are in the camp. And then what happened, they thought themselves lucky if they could find a sheet to hang up at the sides and wall them from peering eyes. Then they felt almost at home. The men found work no matter what, so that then in any case they were not racked with hunger. Their children had something to eat. So the men in the camp they don't have works. Okay, they don't have works. They have to, the children are very hunger. Okay, they are very hunger. They have to provide food for the children. All of them Mikali alone could do nothing. So what happened? There are so many people are there. Some are doing some works to give food for the children, but only one person is the Mikali. Is the very. This is the first character. Mikali, okay? Mikali is the first character. What he was, he cannot do anything. Okay, Mikali is the first character. He cannot do anything in the camp. He ate the stale bread which his neighbor's cat to offer, and it weighed on him, for he was a big lad of 14. So what happened? He is getting a piece of bread, okay, from his neighbor, okay, from his neighbor, and he was eating that bread. For he was a big lad of 14. So how much years he was? 14 years old. Who is Mikali? Healthy and robust. But how could he think of looking for work when he literally bore on his back the burden of a newborn baby? So now only the story is starting. What happened? Mikali cannot do any work because he was carrying a baby on his back. How much years old? Only 14 years old only, but he was carrying the baby. In your textbook, they have given the picture. If you see the picture, you can understand that. Since his birth, which had caused his mother's death. So his mother was died, okay. He had wailed, proclaiming his famished state from morn till to night. What would have accepted Mikali's services when his own compatriots had chased him from their quarters because they were unable to bear the uninterrupted halts which kept them awake at night? Mikali himself was dazed by these cries. His head was empty. He wandered like about a lost soul. So he was suffered very much because his mother was died. He was carrying his baby on his back. Okay, it's very tough to lead his life. From lack of sleep, he has no sleep at all, and then always dragging out with him the defining burden that had been born for his misfortune. So he cannot do anything because he was carrying the baby on his back. Okay, it's difficult to do any work. So he cannot do anything. He faced misfortune only, and its own that had so badly chosen the moment to appear on this earth. Everybody listened to it with irritation. They had so many troubles of their own. They all pitifully wished it would die. So what happened in the Armenian camp? The refugees all are facing troubles, difficulties, everything. Okay, sometimes they would thought they want to die, okay, because they are not getting food, they are not getting proper place to sleep. Everybody is thinking like that, but sometimes the irritation is coming to everyone, okay. And then particularly these Mikali found very difficult to lead a life because he was carrying his baby on his back. But that did not happen for the newborn child, so desperately to live, cry louder his famished state. The distracted woman stopped their ears, and Mikali wandered about like a drunken man. So what happened? He was carrying the baby on his back. The baby is always crying. So if somebody is hearing the baby's sound, they are very irritated. So what happened? This Mikali is moving from one place to another. Okay, Mikali was like a drunken man. He was going here and there because the baby making sound. The people around him felt very irritated. He hadn't penny in his pocket to buy the infant milk. So he has no penny. He has no money to buy a milk for the infant, and not one woman in the camp was in a position to give it to the breast. So no woman can give milk to this baby, enough to drive one mad. So what happened? The boy Mekali was very much suffering, because the little boy was carrying the baby on his back. So not only the boy, the refugees, those all are suffering in the Armenian camp. Okay, this is a beautiful lesson. I will continue this lesson in next class. Please all of you read the text. Please all of you read the text. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Until then, be safe, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.